Hello and welcome back, I'm the Professor. Today I want to show you a piece of software that genuinely surprised me. It doesn't just help you manage rental property, it actually does the work for you. It's called Rentway.ai, and it calls itself your AI property manager. Let me show you what that really means. Most property software is really just a filing cabinet. You still do everything yourself, you just do it on a screen. Rentway.ai is different. You talk to it in plain English, the way you'd talk to an assistant. You say post October's rent for Unit 4B and it does it. The payment lands in the ledger, the balance updates, and the tenant gets a receipt. You say, draft a late notice for 2C, and there it is, written and waiting. It does the real task inside your account, and then it stops and waits for you to approve what matters. That last part is the key. It's fast, but you are still in charge. Now here's where it gets interesting. It also runs your front office. It has its own phone line that answers your calls around the clock. Booking tours, taking repair requests, and only bothering you when something truly needs you. It texts your tenants back in seconds, even at 9 at night. It works your email inbox. And if you hand it a form, any PDF, it fills it out from your own data. The busywork that used to eat your evenings just handles itself. Underneath all of that is a complete property management platform. You can send a lease for electronic signature with no per-signature fee. You collect rent through your own Stripe account, so the money goes straight to you. And the books are real, with double-entry accounting, bank reconciliation, and one-click reports. Rent roll, profit and loss, a balance sheet, even your aging report at tax time. It runs the rest of the operation too. Maintenance requests get triaged and assigned. There's a leasing pipeline that qualifies leads and book showings. You get tenant screening, listing websites, and separate portals for your tenants, your owners, and your vendors. And it never clocks out. It sends the reminders, works the renewals, and hands you a short morning brief, ranked by what's urgent. But remember, anything that touches money or a lease is logged, and it waits for your okay. You approve what matters. So that is Rentway.ai. One login, one AI that actually does the job, with every feature included on every plan. If you manage rentals, even just a few doors, it is worth a look. You can try it free at Rentway.ai. I'm the Professor, now you know. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.